Instructions. Okay. Hey y'all, I'm on the floor now. So I just saw in the last video, I have a desk right here that I'm gonna be putting together to go right over here in this area. I got this desk from IKEA. I think I paid $34 for it. It's just a simple black glass desk. Move this in. I also went and got a monitor and a laptop. So yeah, so let's just get to this. I'm going to speed this up because honestly, I was real hesitant to film this because I can put stuff together, but I don't like using instructions, so it takes me a long time. Let's put this desk together. Instructions. I think I need the instructions. And then it says I need two of these. Now I'm going to set up the monitor, and then I'm just going to show you guys my laptop. Not much to show there. I'm really excited about the monitor. Here's the Mac. This is the monitor. It's a curved monitor, y'all. I'm so excited. Why? Is it because it curves? Yes. And seeing how it is, I do deal with Macs and not PCs. I did have to get an adapter to hook the monitor up to my computer. So I did get an adapter. And that's the monitor. Now we are going to open my Mac. So I did get the MacBook Pro. 15-inch, space gray, 2018, I do believe. So we're just gonna open this and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Nothing too fancy. I learned my lesson because the last Apple laptop that I did get, I got off of Craigslist. And actually, let me show you that right now. Okay, so this was the MacBook Pro that I was using. This is a 2000 and I want to say 10. Or not, maybe not even, probably like a 2009. This was it still works. I think this was a 2009. It still works, has a couple dings. It's been everywhere and through a lot with me. Like, oh my god. When I ate, it ate. There's some food stains. It still works, but the only thing is whenever I use it, it always has to be on the charger. If I take it off the charger, it'll turn off. So if I use it, it always has to be on the charger, which was very inconvenient. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do this one. I'm probably just keep it as a backup, or I don't know, sell it or something. But it was most definitely time for a upgrade.
English as the main language, press the return key.
Whoa. Okay, so y'all, that is it for this video. I just showed you guys how to assemble. Not that you guys needed help assembling a desk or anything, but I just thought it would be cool to bring you guys along as I assembled my desk and my work area. As y'all know, I am redoing my room to accommodate me and my son. So I had to do a lot of finagling. What kind of word? I had to do a lot of finagling, you know, to make sure everything fit, and I'm not done yet. I just showed you guys how my desk area was going to look. Now I have to work on my filming area. I'm gonna take you guys along and show you guys that too as well. But for this video, that's all I was gonna show you guys. So yeah, I'm about to play around with this laptop, get it all set up so I can start working and getting back on my lash business and my YouTube and also my family business. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!